Lumpur. I've been here pretty much only a day and it's already, I have to say, one of my favorite cities, and a big reason for that is we are in front of the apartment we're going to be moving in. Just like half an hour ago, I went there to pick up the key. I got a little peek of the apartment, and for what we're paying, this got to be some of the best value. And I've said that before in previous videos, but this is by far the one. I'm gonna take you with me. So right now, it's gonna take over the camera. We are in front of the Petronas Towers. As you can tell, absolutely impressive structure. But this structure over here, this is gonna be home for the next few days. And the amount that I'm paying, like, it's not like it's like super cheap, but for what you get, guys, you have to see this. I'm joined by the man Ali.
Oh yeah.
Let me take you with you to my home for the next few days here. And this will be the home. Okay guys, rolling in, and as you can see, there's a big W on the sign. So after booking the Airbnb, there are the Petronas Towers. Absolutely incredible. After booking the Airbnb, actually, I realized that the Residences is in the same building as the W Hotel. And, you know, honestly, the place had a little bit of some critical reviews on Airbnb, so I wasn't expecting too much, maybe a little bit of an older apartment, but you're about to see it in a second. Let's go in. So we're staying at the Tropicana Residences, right next to the W. And so we made it to the roof of the building. Guys, the pool here is absolutely something to write home about. I mean, hey, just gonna do a little back step, and the view already reveals itself. Potentially this is something for a thumbnail right now. So the pool on the 53rd floor. Earlier today I actually came up and there was absolutely nobody here. I'm not sure if it's because it was kind of like rainy when we first came up, or if it's just the time. We're gonna find it out, all of that, tomorrow, obviously. But just being here on the roof right now, we're looking at the TV tower. In the middle we have these kind of like nice little laying opportunities, and the towers in the back with the pool. So actually the hotel where we stayed at before, it was busy all the time. There were people by the pool. Here, so far I'm pretty happy. Even in the evening hours, is not too much. And just this view, I think I will not be able to get enough of it. I mean, we're gonna lift up the camera a little bit. We have absolutely unobstructed view on the Petronas Towers. Downstairs is the mall, and just so many cool buildings around here. Pavilions Hotel, what is it, Grand Hyatt Hotel. Seriously, don't know what this is, but it looks super cool. And the famous TV tower. So in terms of the view, I would say almost unbeatable. The only thing maybe here is the fact that the Petronas Towers are kind of here with the I think this is the name of the building here, Tropicana. So actually maybe it even like makes it kind of... middle of this edit right now, and you know, if there would be one skill that really has changed my life, it would be picking up the camera, learning to edit videos, and this is where today's video sponsor comes in, Skillshare. So Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of different classes from experts in their field. And you know, over the years I've been helping a few people to help YouTube channels, and I think one of the best resources there is Skillshare with their classes on YouTube. So one of my favorites personally is Marcus Brownlee, YouTube Success, Script, Shoot, and Edit. And another beginner guide that I find very useful is from Jevin Dovey, How to Vlog Complete Beginner's Guide. Again, 12 lessons. I will take you through it from videography, YouTube, to photography, illustration, graphic design, freelancing, and so much more. You can find classes that will match your goals. And the best thing for me personally is that the courses are condensed, so within a short time frame, you can either get a bit of an idea into a different topic or completely level up your skill. And so the first 1,000 people to use my link in the description will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. Just try it out. I highly recommend the YouTube courses they have on there. And with that, let's get back to today's adventure. So absolutely gonna be dipping in here for a second, and I have to say this is like 5-star amenities. I mean, there's no way around it. So here, I think usually probably there's like some type of mattresses in here. I think I saw them earlier. And let's see. Okay guys, let's get into the apartment. So pretty much you could call it's a 1-bedroom. Coming in, got a nice little seating area, full kitchen, but more about that later. I mean, we are all here for one thing. Got this nice living area. Okay, nice. Very nice. And then we're coming through to the window, and this is the view that we're getting here. It's absolutely surreal, absolutely in love with it. When we came in, the excitement and enthusiasm definitely came up. Had a few long travel days, and I'll tell the price at the end of this video, but just to give you a run through. So basically 1 bedroom, as I said, here, full bedroom. Like in Airbnb, I was saying the cleaning was not the best. And honestly, yeah, you probably could say that, have some hairs, also the way the bed is made. Okay, you know, it's just minor details. But the room itself, got a simple, nice little table here, mirror and all of that with this amazing view. Bed, pretty nice and big. And full bathroom, unfortunately only one, so I think I'll probably be crashing here. We have been sharing a lot of accommodation, and Ali usually gets like a little bit more humbler option. So 1 full sleeping opportunity here, and the sofa, TV, huge TV actually. You have to give it to them. And this is probably, you know, just going to be using this as a bit of a working station, and fully equipped kitchen, kind of like nicely hidden in the corner. Overall, I love the setup of the apartment. Got a full oven, utensils here, even, yeah, the washer. The most prized possession in this apartment, I can very safely say. Traveling, especially like in the past month in the Philippines, it's very hard to find a nice apartment with a wash machine and all the amenities. Nice little fancy tea set. So you see from the kitchen, definitely the apartment is not new, but for what we're paying, and I will take you to the heart of the apartment, which is the pool upstairs, the gym. That, honestly, after I saw the apartment, I was like, nice, I love it, but what really makes the place is the pool. So basically this place goes for $60 a night. As of right now, recording this, split by 2, so we're paying 30 bucks a head. And actually, theoretically, you could stay here maybe even like 3 people, maybe even can fit 4 people in. And I have to say, I'm really looking forward to the next few days. Maybe we'll be even extending here. And I'm thinking if that is the short-term pricing, what would be a monthly rental? When I walk up upstairs, I'm feeling like, wow, I feel like I could stay here and really create some good stuff, in the sense of like get some mental clarity. The view of KL is already one of my favorite views in the whole world. Guys, I love this place here. Okay, and we came to the roof just to give you the genuine first impression. We're blown away, right?
That's insane, man.
Yeah, man. The value you get in KL.
Yeah. I mean, not even just value, like value aside.
Yeah. For 200 bucks, this would be good.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow. So it's even rainy right now, so you can only imagine with the sun. I'm gonna show you later. You're gonna see the shots right now. Wow. This must be one of the best pools I've ever been to. No joke. So, coming in, you guys see it already. I mean, it's not a great gym in terms of the view, the ambience. It's probably a nice 9 out of 10. In terms of the equipment, it will do. We got a 1-leg extension leg curl, pull down, rows. Back there is some type of chest machine, and we got dumbbells going up to 25. I mean, this is more than enough, especially for just an apartment building gym. And here kind of like a nice little yoga area. It's sunset right now, you see the sun coming in, and Guys, I'm running a little bit low calorie, but my expectations were fairly low because the building looked amazing, the photos looked amazing, it was weirdly affordably priced, and some of the reviews were like complaining about the cleanliness of the apartment, so I was ready already. They were correct about the cleaning. But yeah, this is kind of it, and yeah, we'll see. I think the only sensible thing to do right now would be to jump into the pool. Sorry. Guys, and the funny thing is, wow, my hair is all messed up. You know, we're staying in the same building as the W Hotel. So puffed our chest a little bit, walking in here, you know, you just ask, where's the gym, where's the deck? And this is the pool of the W Hotel. Ours is better.
100%.
Seriously, it's insane. W Hotel is one of the most expensive hotels, and it's nice. I'm sure the service is great here. I'm sure they have nice rooms. But I have to say, as amazing as this is, our rooftop is even a little bit nicer, or maybe a good bit. Also the gym. So this is a little bit the bar of the W here. Get the view of the, what is it here? Nice big W as always. Of the TV tower. So yeah, this is the moment when a nice place is being outshadowed by your $50 apartment, 60. And so, as you can see, we made it out to the pool, hanging in this little nice lounge that I just showed you. And yeah, there'll be a nice book the place for 2 days for now. Probably will be extending. You know, if you can get that type of place for this type of money, I'm already confident the places I'll be staying after. Usually I spend like around maybe never more than $1,000 a month on accommodation. Never. Usually I live generally still, like I try to always live on 20% of my income. And yeah, so usually sometimes I even like don't even spend $1,000 a month. But right now I feel like, you know, when you can get so much for spending a little bit more, I feel like it's worth it, at least for a few days. And then maybe we'll have some hotel collaborations later on, maybe with some hotels. But yeah, gonna really be appreciating this, having a nice gym routine. But for now, let's jump in. You can trust me on one thing. This pool will wake you up nicely. Okay, so, you know, and as always, guys, of course, it's on the one side entertainment, just me giving you a little room tour, but the promise always with the Cover World to see videos is kind of like going to places that offer more. And in this sense, obviously, it's very clearly just the value proposition of like, what does $60 get you in most places? In the Western world, maybe a little hotel room. In many Southeast Asian countries is hit or miss, and in such a big city I think KL is probably the best value I've ever seen so far. So on this note, I hope you enjoyed this little insight, and yeah, you can follow me on Instagram to see where I am right now. And this is what World C stands for, about building a life around the world, and KL is definitely a city I can see coming back over the next probably decade or so. So on this note, you too, World to see.